Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel. On this channel you will get the latest AI XRP, general crypto and precious metals new news updates. This is the first YouTube channel with 100% AI generated content drawn from real-time, real-world events. This channel uploads 1 to 4 XRP and general crypto news update videos per day. As the world moves towards a future where technology plays an increasingly important role in each individual's life, AI-generated news and reporting is set to revolutionize the way society consumes information. By subscribing to our channel, you are not only staying abreast of the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and precious metals, but you are also becoming an early adopter of cutting-edge technology that is bound to have a direct or indirect impact on your life. Become a subscriber and join us as we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies through the eyes of AI technology. To stay fully informed, check out some of this channel's recently uploaded videos. AI Xrp New News Update. It seems that attorney Jeremy Hogan is arguing that XRP is not a security, but rather an investment contract, based on the legislative definition of security. He references the Howey case and its progeny to explain what qualifies as an investment contract and asserts that a contract regarding the investment exists in all the cases referenced in the Howey lawsuit. However, Hogan notes that the SEC has failed to provide substantial facts showing a contract of investment in the Ripple case. He argues that the purchase agreement between investors and Ripple is not enough to prove an investment contract because it tears the investment from the contract. He also asserts that the major issue in the case is not about whether Ripple used money from its XRP sales to fund its business, but the fact that the SEC has yet to prove an explicit contract between the blockchain company and XRP purchases regarding their investments. It is worth noting that Hogan made this legal analysis to provide research materials to the clerk assisting Judge Annalisa Torres in drafting the case's summary judgment. AI XRP New News Update. XRP, a digital currency, is experiencing momentum this week and is on track for further growth. Currently, XRP is up by 0.41% to $0.504, and although the weekly performance shows a 2.27% slip, the currency is quickly recovering its losses. XRP is no longer an underdog compared to its dominant rivals due to the on-chain metrics, indicating that its community and the broader ecosystem of traders are beginning to embrace it. XRP's trading volume has surged by 30.24% over the past 24 hours, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Despite having the greatest uncertainty about its future at the moment, retail and institutional investors have been steadily buying up the asset. XRP's impressive performance in the past week has shown that the coin's growth is now more consistent. As the weekend often experiences steep volatility, XRP's trading volume growth is a positive sign for the digital currency. It is important to note that past performance is not indicative of future results, and investment decisions should always be made with caution and thorough research. Overall, while the recent performance of XRP may indicate some positive momentum, it is important for investors to carefully assess the risks and potential rewards before making any investment decisions. AI XRP New News Update. A recent social media exchange between an XRP community member and Ripple engineer Neil Hartner shed light on the use of XRP, RippleNet, and on-demand liquidity, ODL, in the Ripple ecosystem. While RippleNet does not directly use XRP, Hartner explained that over half of the payments on the network will end up using the token via ODL. This led to a discussion about the distinction between using XRP directly or indirectly on RippleNet. Hartner emphasized that omitting the context related to ODL can create confusion and that RippleNet does use XRP indirectly. The conversation then turned to the impact of ODL on the price of XRP. Hartner clarified that the service is just a buy and sell transaction and does not have a significant impact on the price of the token. Finally, regarding the future of ODL, Hartner noted that while centralized crypto exchanges might face more regulation in the US, the user growth of the service has shown that there is still a high demand for it outside of the US. AI XRP New News Update. The Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, is partnering with Novartis Group and AUDD for a research project aimed at exploring the potential use cases and economic benefits of a central bank digital currency, CBDC, in Australia. The project, led by the Digital Finance Cooperative Research Centre, DFCRC, and the RBA, will involve Novartis issuing a supplementary stablecoin, EAUDD, which will be backed one-to-one by pilot CBDC issued by the RBA and run on the Stellar blockchain. The invite-only group of participants will be able to obtain EAUDD on the Stellar blockchain, where it will be used to purchase a non-fungible token, NFT, in order to make a charitable donation. The outcomes of the EAUDD pilot will indicate whether a stable coin with one-to-one backing by a CBDC could lead to greater customer confidence in the validity of stable coins. The potential economic benefits of a wider acceptance of stable coins could also lead to safeguards in bank regulation, secure payments, and improved financial stability for users. Novartis CEO Peter Cook is excited about the opportunity to help shape the future of CBDCs and promote the use cases for high governance stable coins in Australia. The CBDC pilot is expected to finish at the end of May with results published mid-year. However, the growing interest of central banks in exploring the potential of digital currencies may pose a big danger for cryptocurrencies like Ripple and Xrp, which face regulatory challenges and uncertainty in their status as a commodity or security. As central banks explore the potential of digital currencies, it remains to be seen how this will impact the future of cryptocurrencies. Xrp New News Update. The price of Bitcoin is trading within a tight range, indicating indecision among the bulls and the bears. The price has failed to break above $30,000, which has resulted in profit booking in several altcoins, but a few have seen shallow pullbacks. This suggests that traders are holding onto their positions, expecting a move higher. The 20-day exponential moving average is flattening out, and the relative strength index has been gradually slipping toward the center, indicating a balance between supply and demand. If the price falls below the 20-day EMA, the BTC-USDT pair may dive to the breakout level of $25,250. Conversely, a rebound off the 20-day EMA with strength will suggest that traders are buying the dips, and a rally above $29,200 could enhance the prospects of a rally to $30,000 and subsequently to $32,500. It seems that XRP is poised for a significant move, as it has entered a symmetrical triangle pattern on shorter-term time frames. This pattern formation is often considered a sign of an impending price breakthrough, which could lead to a substantial change in XRP's market value. The ongoing rally shows no signs of slowing down, and the symmetrical triangle pattern suggests that the current trend of upward momentum is likely to persist. Stellar price turned down from the overhead resistance of 12 cents and the price is nearing the 20-day EMA. The bulls are likely to buy the dips to the 20-day EMA. If the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls will again try to clear the overhead hurdle. If they succeed, the XLM-USDT pair will complete a bullish rounding bottom pattern, signaling the start of a new up move. On the other hand, Ethereum has been experiencing a solid uptrend despite facing numerous challenges. The 21-day moving average is acting as the first line of support for the asset's ongoing rally, and as long as Ethereum's price remains above this moving average, the positive momentum is likely to continue. However, a decrease in trading volume during a price rally can be an ominous sign, as it indicates that the buying pressure behind the asset is weakening. This lack of buying interest could lead to a slowdown in Ethereum's price growth, or even a trend reversal. As for Cardano, it has been struggling to maintain momentum on the market after failing to break through the 200-day moving average for the second time. This key technical indicator has been acting as a strong resistance level for ADA, causing the digital asset to face a downward price trend. The decrease in trading volume is also a concerning sign for investors, as it indicates weakening buying interest in the asset. Investors and traders should remain cautious and monitor the asset's performance closely to determine the future course of action. Xrp New News Updates. It appears that Coins.ph, a top cryptocurrency exchange in the Philippines, has temporarily halted XRP withdrawals due to technical issues. The company has assured its customers that it is working to resolve the issue as soon as possible and has advised them to monitor its official channels for updates. This news has disappointed some members of the XRP community in the Philippines, but many remain optimistic that the issue will be resolved soon and that XRP will continue to be a popular investment option in the country. It's worth noting that another major Philippine cryptocurrency exchange, PDAX, suspended XRP trading and withdrawals in March 2021. XRP is currently the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a market cap of over $80 billion. Xrp New News Update. Whale Alert, a popular cryptocurrency tracker, has reported that two major crypto exchanges, Crypto.com and Binance, transferred a total of 73.5 million XRP, worth $37 million, to anonymous wallets. The transfers were made over the past 24 hours, with Crypto.com sending 50 million XRP to Binance, and Binance making an internal transfer of 23.5 million XRP. On April 1st, Ripple, the fintech giant behind XRP, withdrew 1 billion XRP from escrow, with 700 million XRP being locked back and 300 million coins being used to cover the company's operational needs. Part of that amount will also be sent to crypto exchanges and financial institutions that are customers of Ripple. As of this writing, XRP is trading at $0.5048, according to CoinMarketCap. The large transfers from Crypto.com and Binance, as well as Ripple's withdrawal from escrow, suggest that there is significant activity and interest in the XRP market. Xrp New Update. It appears that the labor market is showing signs of contraction, with the number of new jobs added in March being the smallest monthly gain since December 2020. The decrease in new jobs added is believed to be due to the aggressive rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, which are slowly reducing inflationary pressures. Despite the lower than expected job growth, the unemployment rate dropped slightly to 3.5%. The reduction in new jobs added and the lower unemployment rate suggest that the labor market is tightening, which could lead to increased wage pressures and potentially higher inflation in the future. The reaction in the gold futures market to the jobs report was delayed due to the observance of Good Friday. However, when trading resumed, gold opened lower in Australia and traded down to a low in New York of $1,996.50. The decline in gold prices was partially due to the strength of the dollar, which gained 0.50%, taking the dollar index to 102.235. Looking ahead, the probability of the Federal Reserve raising rates by 0.25% is currently at 69.7%, while there is a 30.3% probability that the Fed will pause raising rates at the next FOMC meeting in 22 days. The outcome of this meeting could have significant implications for the labor market, inflation, and financial markets. Gold prices are lower in midday U.S. trading on Monday, due to some profit-taking pressure from shorter-term futures traders and a rebound in the US dollar index after hitting a 2-month low last week. However, both gold and silver remain in firmly bullish technical postures, suggesting the potential for more upside in the near term. The upcoming US data point of the week is the Consumer Price Index report for March, which is expected to show an annual rise of 5.1%. While this is lower than the rise of 6.0% in the February report, it is still a significant increase and could impact the direction of gold and silver prices. Overall, the current market conditions for gold and silver appear to be influenced by a range of factors, including the strength of the US dollar, inflation concerns, and market sentiment. Traders and investors will likely be closely monitoring these factors in the coming days and weeks to assess the potential for further price movements in the precious metals markets. Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 1 indicates a buy signal for XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 0 recommends selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 14 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be bullish, with 1 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 15 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy XRP. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a 1-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for. Monday, April 10th, 2023. Tuesday, April 11th, 2023. Saturday, April 15th, 2023. Sunday, April 16th, 2023. And Saturday, April 22nd, 2023. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. Thank you for visiting the AI for Us 2 channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.